Let's learn colors.
Red is the color of an apple bright. Yellow is the sun shining light. Blue is the sky so big and wide. Green is the grass where we can hide. Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Let's see the first color. Red. R-E-D. Red. Red is the color of apples and fire trucks. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean.
Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Hello, young adventurers. I'm Captain Martin. Can you find the word red hidden here? Good job, kids. That's the word red. Now find the word blue. Correct. That's the word blue. Now let's see what are the next colors.
Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun and bananas. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green is the color of grass and leaves.
Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Hey, little kids! I'm Bunny the detective. Can you find the word yellow hidden behind these yellow flowers? Good job! That's the word yellow. Now can you find the word green hidden behind these green leaves? Yes, that's green. Now let's see, what are the next colors?
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange is the color of carrots and oranges. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Purple is the color of grapes and lavender flowers.
Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Can you pop the orange balloon? Good job, that's orange. Now, can you pop the purple balloon? Excellent, that's purple. Now let's see, what are the next colors?
Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink is the color of flamingos and cotton candy. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Brown is the color of chocolate and teddy bears.
Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Hey kiddos, welcome to my bakery. I'm Bella. Can you find the pink cupcake here? Excellent, that's pink. Pink cupcake. Now can you find the brown cake? Very good. Brown cake. Now let's discover the last colors.
Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black is the color of crows and bats. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. White is the color of snow and milk.
Hey kids, I'm Lar. It's chilly here in the Arctic. Let's play a game. Can you find the word black? Excellent! That's the word black. Now, can you point on the white igloo? That's right. White.
Red is the color of an apple bright. Yellow is the sun shining light. Blue is the sky so big and wide. Green is the grass where we can hide. Colors, colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Colors make the world so bright, filling our hearts with pure delight.
Okay kids, today we learned 10 colors and had so much fun with our games. Remember, the colors we explored were red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, and white. I hope you enjoyed our colorful adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and fun learning activities.